What's up YouTube, this is Leon, and I'm about to unbox an XFX RX 570 8GB graphics card. Okay, this is what started my journey. The XFX Radeon RX 570 8GB graphics card. It's got GDDR5, and we are going to unbox it. Let's go. See, I purchased this once again on Amazon for 160 bucks. I purchased this on Amazon for 160 bucks. And I think it's mainly because graphics cards are in big time shortage. It seems like every time people do a video on things on YouTube, the price of them goes up. So normally these would run for about 140. Like I said, I got it for 160, which isn't bad. So let's get in here. For all those who are worried, I am on an anti-static mat here. So, for those who would criticize me in my YouTube youthdom, what is this? Is this just, there's nothing in there, but there's something in there. What's in there? Let's see. See if we can see what's in here. Let's zoom out a little bit. Zoom out. And inside of here, oh, look at that. It gives you a little adapter for your PC, or your power for your PCI. Let's see, what is this? This is 2.6 pin. What is that? 2.6 pin, yeah. So you can split it. Turn your 8 pin into 6 pin. We ain't trying to do that. Okay. Drivers. We got drivers. Got your driver's disc there. Put that to the side. Warranty card, because it's supposed to have like a 2-year warranty. I don't remember. Let's see, what does it say? I don't know. I always look at your installation guide and check on your warranty. Alright, set that over there. Don't you fall. Stop important driver information. If you are connected to the internet, it's highly recommended to download the latest drivers to receive all the latest optimizations and bug fixes. The driver on the included installation disc are recommended for systems not connected to the internet. Please visit one of the following sites to download the latest driver package and software. And those are where you need to go to get the drivers. I was always wondering when I was watching videos if they had something in there to let me know where to get the drivers, because some products don't do that, but this does. So hallelujah. All right, what is this? Thank you for your purchase. Of course you're thanking me. I paid this money for it, and of course it's not the highest end graphics card, but you know, I'm on a budget, and it's COVID time, so that's that. And the pièce de résistance, the card is here. The unveiling of the card. Oh, oui, look at you. Oh, this is perfect. Okay, so, I'm sorry, I gotta let you see it, don't I? I'm so selfish. Alright, so what I was worried about was this right here. I was thinking that this card went all the way to the end when I was looking at the pictures, and they show it from that angle, and you're still not sure if it goes all the way to the end. But when I look at it this way, I see it does not. And that gives me enough space on my motherboard to be able to keep my front USB ports, my USB 3 ports. I was really worried about losing those. I thought I was going to have to sacrifice them. I was willing to because I don't use them, but it's always nice to have. You know, you want to have nice things and have all your stuff working. Okay, so this has, of course, your PCI 16 connector. You got one DVI. You have, see if I can get these all out. One HDMI. I'm putting them back because that's just how I do. Well, I'll take them all out so you can see them. I can put them back later. I'm not going to be selfish. You have one DisplayPort adapter or connection. Two DisplayPort connections. And then you have three DisplayPort connections. I grew up on Sesame Street, the real Sesame Street. You know, with the real song. Sunny day, only a cloud away. You know that one, not the one that they got going on now. I don't even know what it is. I'm ashamed that my kids had to grow up on it though. That's what it is. Of course, I show my kids all my old stuff, cartoons and whatnot. Okay, it comes all nice and sealed. I'm going to take that off, of course. It's got a copper cooling system. Yes, that's nice. Heat dissipation, 2 fans. Yes. Yes, lovely. I'm going to give you all angles. I'm giving you all angles because I never see anyone give all angles. I'm going to turn it around nice and slow so that you can have all angles. Because I know that's what you want. That's what you want, YouTube. And that sounded gross, and I apologize. I didn't mean for it to sound gross. That's all angles. Yes. Yes. So I'm very happy right now because I feel like this card is going to fit inside of my rig. And that's that on that. Let's see if there's anything else in here. I'm going to lay that down. Oh, let me lay it on the static bag. I know it doesn't even matter, but hey, I got to make folks happy, right? This is nothing. I put it back. Sorry, I keep hitting the camera. Yeah, but that's it. That's our XFX Radeon RX 570 8GB graphics card. All we have to do now is put it in the box. And when I say box, I'm talking about that HP thing that I put up on video before. And if you want to see that video, you can subscribe to my channel and look in the list. It'll be there. It will be there. Yes, it will. This is nice. Now I'm not doing any RGB. I don't think. I'm not really interested in that. Like I said, all I want to do is edit video without my computer crashing. So thanks for watching. I appreciate you stopping by. If you like what you saw and if this was at all informative to you, please like or subscribe. Ring the bell if you want to see more content from me, and you all have a great day. Bye. Got a little project here. We're going to be upgrading the GPU in an HP Elitedesk 800 G1 Midtower. I've been doing some research on the issue, and people have been running into various issues. So I decided to do a video to try to lump all the fixes in one, because I had to look at like 500 different videos in order to get this done. So to get this done, I have to, of course, have GPU. I have to have better than 500 watts power supply, and I also have to have a little adapter for the motherboard, because these desktops do not have your standard 24-pin motherboard connector, so you gotta have one of these guys. I'm gonna do an unboxing of each one of them to kind of show what's in them, and we will then get to the upgrade. Let's get into it.